Hi babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing some nail prep. I typically stick to doing press-ons. These are from Red Aspen. My really good friend Jen usually hooks me up with a bunch of Red Aspen nails when I come visit her and the boys. These are usually the lengths that she doesn't wear because they're just a little bit long for her. So this one in particular is this style, the Pop Color Me Happy Corey. Hello, I'm made with recycled materials. Let me show you guys what comes in a typical box of Red Aspen. It does have all the instructions on the back from start to finish. It talks about how it's made of sustainable products, sustainable materials. And then these are the nails. So they're each, the sizes are on the back, 3, 8, 9, 10, 13, and then here's the rest. They come with a cuticle pusher, a miniature nail file, and nail glue. So this is what comes in each Red Aspen packaging. And then I also just grabbed my cuticle clippers and my other accessories. So I'm just gonna go ahead. That was the only part where I'll be talking. The rest of this will just be a voiceover. I'm watching some reruns of 90 Day Fiance. It's super cringy right now. So what I first like to do before I even do my prep is I go ahead and just pick. And oh my gosh, this is a cute thing that I made. You can't really tell what it is, but it's a tray. I made it out of board and brush for my friend Courtney's bachelorette party. And I did a dragonfly. Now you really can't see it if I move this, it'll mess up the whole thing, so I don't want to do that, but that's what I'm working on today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this like usual, and then I'll go ahead and just do a voiceover throughout the remainder of the video. But thank you guys so much for coming and hanging with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, now that I have picked the sizes that I'm gonna do, there really are only two that are gonna be filed down, which are gonna be the middle fingers. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then get into my prep. Boy nails. The prep really matters.
Is there anything?
Okay, and then for me, now that my nails look a little bit less ugly, but still ugly, I like to go in with a nail file and just lightly prep the space, just to give the glue something a little bit more rugged to adhere to. So. Okay, this is the final look. Again, these are the Color Me Happy Corey nails from Red Aspen, and I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of hand cream. This is the Elta MD. I got this from my dermatologist. It says silky hand cream, and I just really love this because it's very hydrating and moisturizing. and it gives the same effects as like a cuticle oil for me, except it's also moisturizing. So, and then my red Aspen nails typically last me about 2 weeks. I'll have the occasional one pop off, and so I do just carry a nail glue with me if I have red Aspen on. But yeah, two weeks on average, but I've definitely gotten it to last way longer. So those are my cute nail of the week and the nail of the day. So they're really cute. I get a lot of compliments when I wear the red Aspen. Everyone always thinks that like I did them myself, but I'm not that talented. So there's that. Some tips as far as using these, I would just say definitely prep is super important. To your nail prep prior to is key. As far as the nails, for the most part, the sizing is really good, but you do have to take some of them and just get some customization going. And for any of the ones that you do have to like cut, file down a little bit, I just recommend that you apply kind of at like an angle. You apply the nail at an angle, and out the pressure as the bead of glue goes down, you apply your pressure down further too. So besides that, in the prep, that's really all the tips that I have. But yes, these are my nails for the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching.